Good morning, Williams, Philippines. It's about 5 to 10 a.m. on March 2nd, 2025. Hope everybody had a blessed weekend. Mine's coming to an end. Uh, got to go over and hit the home of the big Texan and have steak yesterday. It was a very good steak. Anyway, hope everybody had a real enjoyable weekend and a lot of good food and friends, family. Let's see. Was watching a video. Apparently, somebody went stupid and shot a chicken vendor in Cebu City. Oy. Seemed like there's a bunch of crazy going on over there in the Philippines. Not good. But hey, we've got more than that going on here. So I ain't gonna say it's not safe over there. Cause it sure ain't safe here anymore. Even in Amarillo, we got a bunch of crazy going on. A lot more than I want to admit to. It is what it is. All I know is it's cold outside. And yeah, uh, 42 degrees. Such a wonderful temperature. At least it's not freezing. But yeah. Uh, let's see. Got all my bills paid and still have $150 in one account and almost 200 in another one. But hey, today another bill goes out. Don't you love auto pay? That's okay. I don't mind getting my bills paid on a particular day if I know what day it's coming so I can be prepared for it. Yeah, it's always good to get your bills paid on time. All I know is I had a couple of chili dogs earlier and I'm feeling fat and full and wanting to go to sleep. I love chili dogs. That might be, yeah, canned chili or store bought chili or homemade chili. It don't matter to me. I'll use all of it on a hot dog, turn it into a chili dog in a heartbeat. Uh, what's even crazier? I have 2 quart bags full sitting in my freezer. I had to give up on it. So, of course, what do? I didn't use the chili from the freezer. I opened a can. uh, that's okay. Spread my good chili out. It's kind of important to have good chili. Besides, chili dogs need chili that doesn't have beans in it. And I had to add extra beans to my chili because it was too hot, which is okay. But yeah, it's good. Anyway, yeah, thanks for commenting, folks. Dan, a guy over from, what was it, Australia, I think. Appreciate the comments. And Crush ain't been around. I haven't heard from him in a while. Crunch. I'll have to go back and look. It's been a while since I went back to my analytics and went through them. I'm so wanting to get out of here. My boss is thinking about, he's got a second hotel now, and he's wanting to hire a manager. I would say I would do that because I can do it. I'm good enough to do it, but I don't want to be the manager because, well, I'm retiring, and he knows that. And so he didn't even bother trying to ask me, but he said he's going to talk to somebody. about being a manager here, so he can just deal with, oh yeah, having to be going to the bank. Uh, I don't know. Give him more time to work at the new hotel that he's trying to work with. It is what it is. But then again, I think really he's just getting to the point that he's starting to realize that being in charge, being the boss, is no fun. I can do that job. I'm good at it. And yeah, I wouldn't take his job for nothing. Mm-mm, no way. I don't want the stress that goes with being the boss. Stress kills. My men in my family, we die off early enough as it is. Don't need no extra stress. So yeah, my idea of a good thing is, oh yeah, stressless days. Be at peace. Yeah, my whole wants and desires cranking in the reel and seeing if I can drag a fish onto the beach or to the boat, whatever. Preferably, it'd be nice to have a big chair to drag one in. Be strapped into a big chair to drag one in, but hey, it is what it is. Uh, yeah, I'm ready to go fishing. I was talking about it yesterday to a couple of little old ladies that were uh, taken in at the hotel just before I left, and one of them was 85 years old. When I told her I was trying to make it to 85, yeah, she says, "Well, that's what I'm at." Like, she's doing pretty good for 85. So yeah, uh, they told me to go and enjoy my fishing. Because yeah, a bad day fishing is better than most anything else. And on the days that you catch one or more, that's even better. Hey, I'm okay with getting to go fishing. And I am ready to go. Oh, am I ready to go? Uh, anyway, yeah, yesterday didn't get to sell anything, so life happens. Yeah, we'll get there. Uh, we're trying to get a couple more things loaded up, ready to go for to the gun show. I think that's 3 weeks away, 2 weeks away. I have to double check. 2 weekends away. It's either 2 or 3. I forget which. Wait, is it raining outside? Huh? Yeah. Uh, that's no good. Yeah, it's raining. Well, we need the rain. We always need the rain here. That's the hazard here. High Plains Desert, Panhandle of Texas. Uh, yeah, we always need the rain. Something I'm gonna miss. You know, here in Texas, always needing rain, going to a place that gets all of it needs every day. So, yeah, I'm okay with that though. I'm ready to go see some green. I was catching a video from somebody somewhere over there, and they were the girl was walking through the jungle heading somewhere, and well, I ain't gonna say it's jungle, but definitely more jungle than what I got going on here. And it was just green everywhere, all kinds of different colors of green, and then a couple of flowers and such. Boy, saw another video. P uh, doing going to some place where the lady makes her own cocoa. Uh, yeah, That's cool. I think I could take and enjoy having chocolate, fresh made chocolate. I could deal with that. Yeah. So it is what it is. But yeah, the fact that they have fresh hot chocolate or fresh chocolate, we be able to mix it right up into the coffee. Uh, and they grow coffee over there too. So one stop shop. I can deal with that. Not that I like the idea of going out and having to buy a cup of coffee. I'm more of the likes to sit down and drink a whole pot of coffee. So I don't know if I'd want to take and go pay somebody for a cup. But yeah, I can sure get all the ingredients and do it myself. I'm not bashful about coffee. I like it just about as much as I like food. Hey, now I'm going wanting coffee. Hey, that's horrible. Oh well. I hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Do those kind of fun things. I'd appreciate it. Or not, your choice. Everything in life is your choice. So make it. Anyway, I'm Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.